Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday, so I'm going to show you guys what I wore in a week in real time, for me that is, but you guys are going to watch it obviously like at the end of the week. But I'm going to show you. So today is Monday, and for today's outfit I'm just wearing like a black scarf. Usual, I wear a black scarf almost every day to school. I just have a bunch of those, especially like this chiffon. My fabric, easy to wear, very light, I don't get hot in them. I am wearing like a long cardigan sweater. It's just a big ass oversized sweater from H&M, and then I'm wearing a chiffon like button down shirt from H&M. This one is from Toy Market actually, it belongs to my sister actually. And then a grey button down chiffon from H&M, and then a black pencil skirt. So for shoes, I just decided to wear my platform like slide-ons. Very easy to wear, very comfortable. I usually like wearing sneakers when I go to school because I don't know, that's my preferred shoes. Very easy, comfortable, easy to walk in. I don't like flats because they kind of hurt my feet. But yeah, this is day one. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, okay, so today is Tuesday, and just like a nice dress that I got from Nestle. As you know, Nestle has a lot of good like modest clothes. So totally, I'm wearing a pink chiffon scarf. Like I said, all my scarves are chiffon when I go to school because they're breathable, they're easy, I don't get too hot in them. They're huge. And I'm wearing this black dress. It's just like a nice flowy circle bottom black dress that ties at the middle. Very breathable, flowy, doesn't get hot. As you know, the sun is back, so it's been hella hot these days, so that's what I'm wearing for today's outfit. Oh, and I'm just gonna wear like a pink pair of flats. I'm sorry this video is kind of weird because I don't have like a full-length mirror where I can show you everything at once, but you gotta make do with what you've got. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, today is day 3. Okay, good morning. Day 3, that means today is Wednesday. So this is what I'm wearing. Just very, it's just like this striped top from Boohoo, I think. And then just my denim jacket. It's like a cropped denim jacket. I'm done with like DIY'd it and put these stickers and like the rips on it. It was just a regular jacket. And then this yellow scarf. It's quite huge. I don't know if I might change it. It's like the cotton one, and it's very big, so I don't know if I might get too hot in this. I don't know if I might change it, but I like the way it looks. And then just like a pencil skirt, and I think I'm gonna wear like my Converse. I have my brows done this morning, ready to have a good day. That's day 3, and this is my outfit on day 3. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Oh, welcome back. I always lift my hand up in the air. I don't know why, but good morning. Today is Thursday, the 4th of October, I think. The week is almost coming to an end. Can you imagine? And I feel like Monday was just like the other day. Anyway, for today's outfit, all day, every day, black scarf, black like ripped top, and then I'm wearing these nice pants from LC Waikiki, just cotton, and they're like striped and they're like wide-legged. And then I'm wearing black here today because it's gonna be a bit chilly in the morning, and then I know like by noon, 2 a.m. the sun would be out, so I needed to dress accordingly where I'm not too hot or too cold. Day 4, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 5. Today is Friday, the week is over. I'm just going to show you what I wore to school today. It's actually the end of the day. I couldn't vlog in the morning because I was busy and held up, blah blah blah. So I'm going to share with you now what I wore to school today. I'll just set you guys up somewhere. I'm going to just go out for now. So I did wear the yellow scarf that I wore, I think on, was it Tuesday maybe or Wednesday? I did just put that back on because I needed a picture in it. You see, sometimes when it comes to content creating, you need to dress according to what you're gonna create. So I really wanted a picture in my yellow scarf, so I decided to wear it again. I'm just wearing like a white polo tee and then black, like A-line-ish skirt, and then just like this black throw over it because I can't walk around with my sleeve showing and stuff. So I just threw on this black kimono. And for shoes, I just went with my black like tennis shoes, like a white pair of sneakers, very comfortable, very easy. That's it guys, this is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of videos. I really had fun creating it like every day and not just filming all at once. That was fun. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and if you guys would like to see more of this type of videos, let me know down below in the comment section below, and I'll create more for you guys. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next one. Bye. I'm just trying to talk. Don't you know you're beautiful?